Hello everybody, this is Alma Love Books. I am your host Alma, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to be doing a Bittersweet unboxing for you. It is the Novel Editions box, and unfortunately, Alex has decided to stop making boxes, which makes me very sad, because Novel Editions is one of my favorite subscription boxes. So for those of you who don't know, Novel Editions is a Canadian subscription box service. She has decided to continue Novel Editions as a Facebook page, as a book club page. So if you want to check her out on there. And Alex, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry to see you go, but oh my goodness, I love your boxes and I love your taste in books. Hi to buddy. Hi! Hi! What? Oh yeah, the box. Can we grab it? Let's grab it. Oh. Tap. Tap. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, are you gonna help me? Yeah. Okay. Whoa! Open the box. Ha! Great! So, this month's theme was famous writers. So let's get into it, shall we? I'm so excited. Debbie. Yep, wormies. Ah, get rid of the worms. Wormies, go away. Ouch. Ouch, they don't hurt. Okay, so right off the hop, I see... Huh? Mommy. Note cards. It says, in case you ever foolishly forget, I am never not thinking of you. Mom. Marcus, you are making this very difficult. There's a luggage tag that my son has so lovingly brought out, and it says, not all those who wander are lost. That is awesome. The tote bag. Oh, wow. Oh, good sturdy canvas tote bag. Look at that. That is a very sturdy bag. Mommy, I'll go. And it says, unfathomable depths, deeps blue as the overhanging heaven. Percy Shelley. And the book, The Resurrection of Joan Ashby. That looks like such a cool cover. Where'd the book go? It's right here. Ouch! Ouch! There's the bookmark, obvious state, the letter from the author, what this box includes, and of course, the signed book plate. Thank you for joining me today. Sorry this was kind of a hectic unboxing. My little one decided he wanted to join me. Have a lovely afternoon.